Hi, I'm Opal Kelly, and I work in cybersecurity. I'm a senior manager of risk management at TD. Tech and business teams don't always speak the same language. I act as a translator to help articulate the security threats for those who could be impacted. What I love about my job is that every day is different. Some days involve creating executive reporting that communicates key risk and industry activity. Others involve a lot of collaborative meetings and creative problem solving. My interest in cybersecurity grew from a passion for technology and a desire to understand the privacy issues wrapped up in our increasingly digital world. Technology allows us to do incredible things, but how are we keeping our customers safe? That question is what really drives me. In my early career, I didn't see a lot of people that looked like me in the workplace. I realized that if I wanted to see more diversity in the room, I had to get in the room myself and bring more people along with me. I led various Black-focused employee organizations for many years. The goal is to help team members learn, grow, and feel that sense of support and community. But you don't need a committee to drive inclusion at your organization. It's really about people helping people and making everyone feel like they belong. There's a place for everyone in cybersecurity, whether your skill set lies in research, coding, or communications. Cybersecurity is a place for growth, inventiveness, and exploration. You get to be part of the revolution that's defining the role of tech in our lives. And to me, that's meaningful.